Good morning. This is Varun and today we will continue with the problems based on Euclid's algorithm. And the first question is, using Euclid's algorithm, show that every positive even integer is of the form 4q or 4q plus 2 and odd is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. We have done that division lemma is A equals to BQ plus R, where A is dividend, B is divisor, Q is quotient and R is remainder. So by applying division lemma in the given situation, we get the value of B equals to 4. As you can see, B becomes 4. So to start with, we will consider let A be any positive integer and B equals to 4. Now the question arises ki how we will get the idea that the value of B is 4. We will get this idea from the question itself. As it is given in the question that every positive even integer is of the form 4q, means multiple of 4, or 4q plus 2 means 2 more than multiple of 4, and odd is of the form 4q plus 1, 1 more than multiple of 4, and 4q plus 3, 3 more than multiple of 4. So if we relate given situation by division lemma, from there we will get the idea that the value of B is 4. So let us start with, let A be any positive integer and B equals to 4. By Euclid's algorithm, A equals to 4q plus R, where R is remainder. Remainder may be equals to 0, it may be greater than 0, but remainder is always less than divisor, which is 4 in this case. So the possible values of remainder are 0, 1, 2 and 3. As I told you earlier, remainder may be 0, it may be greater than 0, but remainder is always less than divisor, which is 4. So we get the possible values of remainder that are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now you may have one question in your mind, that why remainder can't be in decimals. Since we are dealing with positive integers only, it is given in the question that show that every positive even integer. As we are dealing with integers, that's why remainder can have only integral value. That is why the possible values of remainder are 0, 1, 2 and 3. And corresponding values of A will become 4q plus, when remainder is 0, it is 4q plus 0, that is 4q. When remainder is 1, it will become 4q plus 1. When remainder is 2, it will be 4q plus 2. And when remainder is 3, it will be 4q plus 3. 4q and 4q plus 2 can be expressed as 2 into 2q and 2 into 2q plus 1 respectively. Means in 4q and 4q plus 2 we can take 2 common. It shows that 4q and 4q plus 2 are divisible by 2. If they are divisible by 2, it means they are even integers. Whereas we can't take 2 common from 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. It means they are not divisible by 2, which guarantees that they are odd integers. So we conclude that every positive even integer is of the form 4q or 4q plus 2 and odd is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Now let us discuss one more problem based on Euclid's algorithm. And the question is, show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Means we have to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m. 9m means multiple of 9. 9m plus 1 means 1 more than multiple of 9, or 9m plus 8 means 8 more than the multiple of 9. First of all, we have to see that what is the least positive integer whose cube is the multiple of 9. Least positive integer is 1. 1 cube is 1. It is not a multiple of 9. Second positive integer is 2. 2 cube is 8. Again 8 is not a multiple of 9. Third positive integer is 3 and 3 cube is 27, and yes, 27 is a multiple of 9. So we will start with, let a be any positive integer and b equals to 3. Let a be any positive integer and b equals to 3. So by using Euclid's algorithm, we get a equals to 3 cube plus r, where the value of remainder may be 0 or it may be greater than 0, but it will always be less than 3, which is divisor. So possible values of a are 3q, 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. But the question is, we have to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. As we have considered the positive integer as a, so we have to show that cube of a is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Now we have three values of a. They are 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. So one by one we will take their cubes. So let us start with, when a equals to 3q, then a cube will be 3q the whole cube, that is 27q cube. In 27q cube we can take 9 common and we left with 9 into 3q cube, which is 9 into something. That's why we have expressed it as 9 into m, where value of m is 3q cube. So that is how we have expressed cube of a as 9m, which is the multiple of 9. When a is 3q plus 1, a cube equals to 3q plus 1 the whole cube. We apply the identity of a plus b the whole cube and we get a cube equals to 3q the whole cube plus 3 into 3q into 1 into 3q plus 1 plus 1 cube. Here we have applied the identity a plus b the whole cube, which is a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. So on solving it, we get 27q cube. 3 into 3, 9. Q into 3q plus 1 as it is. And 1 cube is 1. Well students, from these two, from this term and this term, we can take 9 common. So after taking 9 common from these two terms, we left with 9 into 3q cube plus q into 3q plus 1 bracket close plus 1. That is, we have expressed a cube as 9 into something plus 1. So we can express it as 9m plus 1, where m is 3q cube plus q into 3q plus 1. That is how we have expressed a cube as 1 more than the multiple of 9, that is 9m plus 1. Now we will go for the third possible value of a, which was 3q plus 2. Then by following the same steps, we get a cube equals to 9m plus 8, where m is 3q cube plus 2q into 3q plus 2. That is how we have expressed a cube as 8 more than the multiple of 9, that is 9m plus 8. So it is clear that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Thank you.